Guess I'm ready. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my unboxing of my August Pandora's box. I am super sorry that these are coming out late. Plus Pandora's box has a few changes that I want to talk to you guys about. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. I am so sorry that these unboxings are coming out stupid late this month. The main reason being the post office. Even a product for Pandora's box was lost in transit from the brand to Amy from Pandora's box, and they had to scrounge around and get someone at the last minute to fill in for that brand. It's terrible. The post office is a nightmare right now, and I have a feeling it's only going to get worse. Ugh. Yeah, that's all I got to say. Also, there are a few changes for Pandora's box, so let's go ahead and get on into it. For those of you who may be new to my unboxings of Pandora's box, what that is, it is a subscription service that focuses mainly on indie brands. You get about 7 to 10 items a month, and they can range from makeup to jewelry to bath and body. I mean, the variety is just amazing in this box. Now, before with Pandora's box, they didn't have an option where it could be a reoccurring charge each month, like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, and that was a really good thing because people got to pick and choose what months they wanted to try. But one of the changes that is happening now going forward from September's box on is that you do have the option to have it a reoccurring charge. You can either do a reoccurring charge or you can still do the one-time purchase, so therefore you still can pick and choose which months you want to try. Also, there is a new website where you can order Pandora's box. It used to be on Etsy. It is not anymore. I will post the new website in my description box, and in my comment I will pin it so you guys have that new website to order. The ordering process for Pandora's box has not changed. You still have the 1st through the 15th of the month to pre-order the next month's box, and then when that month rolls around, from the 1st through the 5th is when the boxes actually go out, depending on what days it falls on and if there's any holidays or whatnot. So in order to pre-order for September's box, you had until August 15th to order it, and I'm sorry that this video is getting out late, but I say it in every unboxing, you have until the 15th of each month to order the box. But and I also post updates on my Instagram if they happen to extend the pre-order, so make sure you're on a lookout for that on my Instagram. All right, let's go ahead and get into this month's box. Everyone's all like, Melissa, it comes in a bag. Why do you call it a box? I'm like, because I'm used to saying box. You know, Pandora's box, whatnot. All right, this is the bag with all of our goodies in it. We have some cards from the brands and whatnot. And I do have my information down in front of me so I can read it to you. All right, let's go ahead and start reading what this says. It says, thank you for choosing Pandora's Box of Indie Obsessions. Each month is dedicated to fantasy. For the August edition, we were inspired by Once Upon a Time. There is a free gift for early release orders, and I do believe that they have been doing that for the past couple months now. They'll post on Instagram and on their Facebook page when pre-orders start early. So I will post that in my stories on Instagram, so be on the lookout for that. The product from Eternally Creepy was lost in the USPS system, so we traded with a Lollies by Leah product. We're sorry for any inconvenience this may have caused, but we did not want these packages to go out any later. Let's go ahead and start diving into these goodies. Let's go ahead and get the Lollipops out. They smell really good. Okay, we have the 2 Lollipops from Lollies by Leah. They are in the flavor Toasted Coconut Macaroon Cake and Red Apple with Tropical Fluff. I don't think I'm gonna like this one. I'm not a big fan of coconut, but I can't wait to try this one. All right, it says on here, from Lollies by Leah, we included handmade pieces of deliciousness for you to enjoy too as our special treat. These were traded with another product that UPS lost in the, or USPS, I'm sorry, lost in the mail. The 2 flavors are Happily Ever After, a toasted coconut macaroon cake, and Once Upon a Time, a red apple with mango fluff. Next up, it looks like we have a gloss from Spkrly's Glitter and Gloss. Ooh, this is pretty. Just by looking at the, just by looking at the component, it looks very pretty. Let's give it a swatch. It smells good. Ooh, this is really pretty. I like this. Y'all know I'm just a sucker for reds anyways. Reds and dark browns are my jam. It says, from Spkrly Glitter and Gloss, we have a sample size lip gloss. These new sample tubes are the cutest thing ever. And yes, they are. They are super, super cute. Next up, we have a whipped sugar scrub from Augusta Rose Designs, and it is in the scent, not flavor, you don't eat it, the scent Apple Mango, and it's purple. Oh, that smells amazing. Oh, that smells so, so good. It's not too fruity. It has like a hint of like that clean, fresh scent as well. It actually kind of smells like my laundry detergent. I use the Gain Apple Mango Tango. That's what it smells like. It smells really good. From Augusta Rose Designs, we have a sample size body scrub scented with a blend of exotic island mango, hints of sweet apple, and island florals. Looks like we have 2 things from Mermaid Scale Cosmetics. Looks like we have a glitter and a pigment. Ooh, this neon green pigment looks amazing. Woo! That is neon. Yes. Let's give that a little swatch as I get it all over the place. And then we have a loose glitter. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like through the bottom of the jar. And this is the swatch for the pigment. That is super bright. I can't wait to use that. All right, it says on here, for Mermaid Scale Cosmetics, we have a sample loose glitter and pigments randomly selected for each package. Some may have 2 glitters and some may have a glitter and a pigment. I like that. That's awesome. Next up, we have a loose pigment from BFTE Cosmetics in the shade Cafe Latte. And it says Once Upon a Time on the top. Let's go ahead and give it a nice little swatch. Ooh. That is a pretty matte shade. That will look good as like pretty much anything. You could use that as a base shade for your eyes. Might be able to use it as like a setting powder too. It says on here, from BFTE Cosmetics, we included a full-size shadow. These were picked at random for each package. BFTE Cosmetics has an unbelievable range of colors and finishes to check out. Oh, and we also got a complimentary sample of the shade She's a Basic Peach. We have a pressed eyeshadow from Copacetic Cosmetics in the shade Regina. Let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and swatch it. This is really pretty. Ooh, that is what I'm talking about. And it's super soft too. Copacetic Cosmetics, we have a pressed shadow that is so stunning we couldn't wait to send these out to you. These are lip safe as well. What is this? Oh my god. Is this a lipstick? Yes, it is. This is from Notoriously Morbid. It is a lipstick in the shade Curse. Look at this component. That is awesome. Ooh, that's a pretty dark purple. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. It has a shine finish to it, so it's not matte. Okay, it says, from Notoriously Morbid, we have a full Diablo lipstick. Check out the website for more Diablo colors. God, I love this packaging. This component is amazing. We have a little ring. It's a wire ring with a stone in it. That is super pretty. And I think this is from Healing Maiden Designs, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. From Healing Maiden Designs, we have a handmade crystal ball ring. Her skills in wire wrapping are amazing, and I totally agree. I really like the detail on this thing. On this ring, this thing. That is super pretty. Of course, I can wear it on my pinky. I have fat fingers. Ooh, this is cute. This is from Psyche Minerals. It's a little heart key charm. And it matches my ring. That is super pretty. Okay, it says, from Psyche Minerals, we have a beautiful heart key necklace. Okay, I don't have the necklace. I just have the charm, which is fine. It said hand painted and designed. And then it also says on here, Psyche Minerals will have a new website opening up tentatively, I can never say that word, on September 1st. You can follow them on Instagram to get the most up-to-date information on the new website, or join the Facebook group Psyched for Psyche Minerals. I put all the information down in the description box of all the brand's website, so I will make sure that I have that updated for you guys. Right, the last item we have is from Cerynda's Enchantments, and it is a 2-pack of the 3 milliliter sample body hair conditioning spray. Have the Once Upon a Time body spray and the Gaia body oil spray. I actually got to try this product before she decided to put it in Pandora's box, so I feel kind of special. The Once Upon a Time is a body hair dry oil spray. And what it means by that is that it's not super oily or greasy. It actually soaks into the skin super well. I haven't used it in my hair yet. I'm going to one day. But I have used it because I have a big bottle of it right here. I have used it on my body, and it smells amazing, and it just soaks into the skin. It's really nice. And this is the same thing in the scent Gaia. Oh, they both smell amazing. It says on here, from Cerynda's Enchantments, we included a surprise new product. We matched the scent from Augusta Rose and made a body hair conditioning spray sample for you. Once Upon a Time is a blend of island mango, hints of sweet apple, and island florals. For those who ordered early, For those that ordered early during our early release, we also included a new fall scent. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices of these products. For the whipped body scrub, the full size retails for $8. Please remember, this is a sample size. The full size pigment from BFTE Cosmetics retails for $6.60, and you can get a sample size. I do believe it's $2.50, if I'm not mistaken. The oils from Cerynda's Enchantments, the 3 milliliter sample size, the ones that we got, they retail for $1.50. They do have larger sizes available on the website. I have the 1 ounce spray right here. The pressed shadow from Copacetic Cosmetics retails for $5. The ring from Healing Maiden Designs retails for $5, and that's really pretty for $5. The Mermaid Scale Cosmetics, the price is $2.25 to $3 depending on the combination of what you get. So it depends on if you get like 2 glitters or a glitter and a pressed pigment, and these are sample sizes. The Lollies by Leah Lollipops, they retail $3 for 2. The Diablo lipstick from Notoriously Morbid retails for $10. The Charm from Psyche Minerals retails for $15. I do believe there's supposed to be a necklace involved. I'm not sure. And the Spkrly Glitter and Gloss, this is a sample size. The full size retails for $8. I really did enjoy this month's box. I am just like loving the variety that we are getting, and I am like I'm still blown away by this component of this lipstick. I mean, it's just so awesome. I really do like it. I do want to say a big thank you to Lollies by Leah for coming in as a last minute because of the goof off from the post office. I can't wait to eat this bad boy while I'm editing my video. If you have pre-ordered September's edition, that theme is Steven Universe. I had to make sure I got it right. I already pre-ordered mine and I can't wait to get it and unbox it for you guys. I will post all of the websites for the brands in my description box if you want to check them out. I will also put any discount codes that are included in the email in the description box as well. None of them are mine. I don't earn any money from them at all whatsoever. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles are down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I used for today's look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. I cannot get over how awesome this component is. Wow, I love it. I can't believe I'm only getting one video out of this banging look I did. I'm tired. I think I need a nap.